In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in during FaceTime calls. This feature can be particularly handy if you want to get a closer look at someone or their surroundings during a call. Let's dive right into it. First, you need to open the FaceTime app on your device. Go ahead and begin a video call with someone. Make sure you're comfortable and ready for the interaction because this is where the magic happens. Once you're on the call, you'll want to use two fingers. Yes, just two. Place them gently on the screen of your device. This is the starting point for adjusting your view to get more detail or focus on something specific. After you have your fingers on the screen, you're going to use a simple pinch outward gesture. Spread your fingers apart across the screen. This common gesture is widely used in various applications for zooming in, and here it's no different. As you do this, you'll notice the image on your screen enlarging. This allows you to get a closer look at the person you are talking to. Whether it's seeing their expressions more clearly or just observing more details in their background, this function comes in quite handy. It really enhances the experience by making the video call more personal and dynamic. Now, if you find yourself needing to go back to a broader view, maybe to see their entire setting, or if things are too zoomed in for your liking, you can simply do the opposite. Place your two fingers on the screen again, and this time pinch inwards. Bring your fingers together. This action will zoom out and take your view back to the original display, allowing you to see more of your caller's surroundings once again. Before we finish, it's important to note that if you're using iOS 18 or later, you may encounter an extra layer of convenience. The FaceTime app on these versions might automatically adjust the zoom level for you. It does this by recognizing who is speaking or determining your focus based on the conversation flow. This feature adds a touch of smart technology to your calls, making the experience smoother as it dynamically changes the viewpoint for you without manual input. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to zoom in during FaceTime calls. This technology ensures that you have control over your view, allowing for a more customized and engaging conversation. Whether it's for catching subtle expressions or observing more details, this feature offers a fantastic way to enhance your video call experience. So next time you're on a FaceTime call, give it a try and enjoy a more enriched communication experience.